Hey, I'm Dervin Witmer from Dig-It Excavating. We operate out of Cassopolis, Michigan, or we're happy to be at ConExpo. At Dig-It Excavating, we primarily focus on being a full service septic company. So we install septics, we repair them, and we do ongoing maintenance. We also do sewer and water, so we're kind of an underground utilities company. I noticed engcon technology first on the internet, and I could see immediately how there was so many benefits to having the Tiltrotator, where we could swap multiple, buckets, multiple attachments and stuff like that. And I could see that that would benefit us in the septic industry. We would have like maybe a frost hook, we would have a narrow trenching bucket, we'd have a wider grading bucket, and then we also have a tooth bucket because when we install septics, we need to scarify the soils and stuff like that. So instead of moving multiple pieces of equipment to a job, just having one piece of equipment there to do the installation, do the backfilling and so forth on a septic system, especially when we're going from, starting with the dirt, then we're adding stone in the pipe and so forth. It's just nice to be able to interchange between attachments at that point. I would encourage people to use Tiltrotator technology because it's going to get you in and out of jobs quicker. It's going to get you the younger generation that is, kind of the video gamer type person. Like if they're interested in operating an excavator, you can easily train someone with a Tiltrotator in a few days or a week to where they're comfortable with it.